Hello all, welcome back to Excel skill. Here I have the data set of amount and the terms. But if you see here, I have the duplicates as well. Now with the usage of the advanced filter, I want to apply only the unique records. That means to remove the duplicates as well. So now with the usage of the shortcuts, I would be applying only the unique records. Select the data set and press Alt A Q. You will get the dialog box. In this dialog box, you have to select the range. It is automatically selected and also the criteria is selected. Now you have to click copy to the another location. For example, I would be choosing here and give the unique records only. That means I have already given the command to remove the duplicates. Now I'll click OK and you could see the data has been placed over here. Since I have selected and this is a unique characters. There is no duplicates. All are unique. With the usage of shortcuts, that is Alt A Q, you can apply this advanced filter and as well as removing the duplicates. I wish I will come up with many more Excel tips. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share and comment. So now with the usage of Alt A Q, we have learned how to apply the advanced filter and also remove the duplicates. Only the unique characters have been placed over here. Thank you for watching this video again. I will come up with many more Excel tips and Excel hacks. Do like, share and comment. Do subscribe.